Done everyone? Yes or no? Please tell me. Oh, why are you guys late? Kishma, what happened? Yes, Kishma. Is everything fine? What happened? Why are you late? Can you please take a screenshot, those who are late? Okay. Right, next. Electrophilic. Aromatic substitutions. Of aldehydes and ketones. Okay. So please write first of all the main point that all of these are what? These are deactivating group, both of them, aldehyde group and the ketonic group. Both of them are deactivating and they are meta directing. So you're going to get only meta products. Please write first of all. Aldehydic and ketonic group are deactivating and meta directing. And substitution occurs at meta position. No, first of all, I'm going to give you all the reactions for benzaldehyde. So if you add Cl2 in the presence of FeCl3, this CHO will be as it is. Okay, wait a second. We put the CHO here. And chlorine in the meta position, plus you will get HCl as the byproduct. This is water reaction, halogenation. Now look at the next one, nitration, and then you will do sulfonation. Okay. Next reaction is nitration. What are the reagents for nitration? The reagents for nitration is concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. What group are we going to get in the meta position? We are going to get the NO2 group, CHO. NO2 at meta position plus HCl. Now last is sulfonation in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. CHO will be as it is. And what is the group that we are going to get? We are going to get SO3H. यहाँ से HCl हटा लीजिए, यहाँ पे HCl नहीं होगा. एनसीईआरटी में बस आपका ये रिएक्शन दिया हुआ है। So यहाँ पे आपके पास what is this? This is benzaldehyde. What is this? This is M chloro. क्या बात है, सब लेट आ रहे हैं। M chlorobenzaldehyde. This is M nitro. Benzaldehyde. And the last one is this is M benzaldehyde. Sulfonic acid. Okay, sulfonic acid is present in the meta position. Since sulfonic acid has a higher priority than this aldehyde group, that is why we are writing this as in the last, sulfonic acid. Write the names. Let me know once you're done. What happened? Hishma, you are not answering. What happened? Are you there, Hishma?
Yes, sir.
What happened? Why are you late? सो गए थे क्या आप?
Yes, I slept.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया। सैफ, व्हाट अबाउट यू? आप भी सो रहे थे?
No, sir.
फिर क्यों लेट हो गए?
Sir, my this computer was updating, sir.
अच्छा, विंडोज अपडेट। Those who are late, please take a screenshot. We'll do similar reactions for acetophenone also. Okay, this is for benzaldehyde. You'll do similar reactions for acetophenone also. I hope everyone is done. If you're not done, please let me know. See, acetophenone as a structure which is COCH3. Okay, this is acetophenone. Now for this also we are going to do 3 reactions. CA2 in the presence of FeCl3. Concentrated HNO3 in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. You get a nitro group. Write this down. Let me know once you're done. लिख सबने? हाँ ना, जल्दी बताइए। Is everyone done?
Yes, sir.
Write these 3 questions. These are very easy conversions. Okay. एक कन्वर्जन आप जानते हैं 1 मार्क्स का होता है, यानी कि आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ मच सीबीएसई इज एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम यू गाइस। सबसे पहले तो स्ट्रक्चर बनाने आना चाहिए सबको। प्रोपेनॉन टू प्रोपेन, बेंजोइल क्लोराइड टू बेंजल्डिहाइड, इथेनॉल टू ब्यूट टू इनअल, है ना। ऑल ऑफ दीज आर, सारे के सारे आप लोग पढ़े हुए हैं, ठीक है। स्टार्टिंग के 2 जो है वो तो बिल्कुल एक स्टेप के रिएक्शन है। एक आप रिएजेंट डालिए, यू विल गेट द प्रोडक्ट। एंड द थर्ड वन दैट इज 2 स्टेप्ड, बट वो एक नेम रिएक्शन है। इफ यू कैन सी दैट, ठीक है। सो तीनों के तीनों नेम ही रिएक्शन है, सॉरी, हाँ तीनों के तीनों नेम रिएक्शन। इवन तो फर्स्ट और सेकंड में आपको एक रिएजेंट लगेगा, इन सेकंड यू आर गोइंग टू हैव 2 रिएजेंट्स, बट ऑल ऑफ दीज 3 आर व्हाट, ऑल ऑफ दीज 3 आर नेम रिएक्शंस। जल्दी कीजिए, then we'll start the method of preparation of carboxylic acid. Aldehyde and ketone is done. I'm giving you guys 4 minutes, then I will explain this. Okay, you can flip your pages, आप अपने notes में देख सकते हैं। It's better if you identify what are the reagents. इसी तरह से आप लोग के conversions होंगे। First of all, you have to identify what is changing, and for that change, what reagent you are going to require. I've also given you hints. You have to just look at the name reaction, nothing else. डन एवरीवन? क्या हुआ नहीं? चलिए 2 मिनट है, कीजिए कीजिए। One more minute, guys. चलिए प्लीज सेंड दी आंसर जितना भी आप लोगों ने किया है। फर्स्ट वन, ओके, नबील अहमद ने भेजा। नबील अहमद, यस करेक्ट। हाँ, सेकंड वाला सही नहीं है। सेकंड वाले में आपने क्या किया है? बस एसिड? नो, ऐसा तो कोई रिएक्शन नहीं पढ़ा हम लोगों ने। बेंजोइल फ्लोराइड का तो आपने स्ट्रक्चर भी गलत बनाया है, ठीक है, दैट इज नॉट बेंजोइल फ्लोराइड। हाँ, ये वाला ठीक है आपका, इथेनॉल टू ब्यूटेनॉल। ओके, प्लीज सी हियर गाइस, नंबर 1, प्रोपेनोन टू प्रोपेन। CH3 CH2 CH2 किसी और ने भेजा? खलील, फर्स्ट वन, या करेक्ट, यस, वेरी गुड खलील, करेक्ट। ठीक है, पहला रिएक्शन क्या है? जिंक amalgam in the presence of what? In the presence of HCl. Which reaction is this? Tell me guys. Where C double bond O gets converted to CH2. कौन सा रिएक्शन ये? What is this reaction? नेम रिएक्शन है, भूल गए? Clemenson reduction है. This is what? This is Clemenson reduction. Benzoyl fluoride, C double bond O, Cl. Now, here, what do we do? Here we do reduction in the presence of PDBaSO4. ये कौन सा reaction है? H2 in the presence of PDBaSO4 gives you benzaldehyde. Third is ethanol. So you have CS3. CHO. Now two molecules of CS3 and CHO, they are going to go self condensation in the presence of OH negative. First of all, they are going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4 CHO. This is going to get OH. And then in the further addition of H plus and heat, you are going to get but2-ene al. What is this reaction? Tell me, guys. कोई बोलता ही नहीं है आप लोग में से, क्या हो गया सबको? What is this reaction? The first one. क्या है this reaction? Sorry, once again.
Aldol condensation.
अरे first वाले का भाई, first वाले.
First one is Clemmensen reduction.
Clemmensen reduction. Second one is. Second one देखिए.
Rosenmund reduction. Rosenmund reduction.
And the third one.
Aldol condensation.
Okay, what do we use in ETARD? ETARD में क्या फर्क होता है? Rosenmund में तो ये है. ETARD में क्या होता है?
ETARD we use this.
What do we use?
We use dibyl H. No, not dibyl H. Tin plus HCl, stannous chloride.
What? No, stannous chloride तो Stephen है.
HCl.
Stannous chloride तो Stephenson का है ना? Sorry. Stannous chloride जो है आपका इसका है. हाँ, Stephen reaction. Stephenson नहीं, Stephen reaction. ETARD में क्या होता है? ETARD में
Chromyl chloride cells, CrO2Cl2.
Yeah, chromyl chloride. Correct. ठीक है, इस तरह से प्लीज नेम रिएक्शन याद कर लीजिए. This is what Rosenmund. चलिए. Those who have not done, please copy this fast. ठीक है, नाम तो लिख दिया हमने. क्लेमेंसन, रोजेनमंड एंड एल्डो लिख दिया. अगर याद रहे तो इससे भी देख के कर लीजिएगा. ठीक है, राइट. नेक्स्ट, मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ carboxylic acids. No. Number 1, please write. From primary alcohols and aldehydes. Oops, primary alcohols. And aldehydes. दोनों में क्या करते हैं? We are going to oxidize it. Both primary alcohols and aldehydes both get oxidized to carboxylic acid in the presence of common oxidizing agent. Please write. 1 degree alcohol oxidizes to 1 degree alcohol oxidizes to carboxylic acid with common oxidizing agent. With common oxidizing agent such as K2Cr2O7. What else? KMnO4. Okay. Now KMnO4 you can use either in neutral, acidic, or alkaline, any medium. If you have written only KMnO4, it will be used in aqueous or alkaline or acidic. किसी भी medium में use कर सकते हैं इसको. If you see KMnO4, you are going to oxidize it to carboxylic acid and CrO3 in acidic media. This is known as Jones reagent. इसको याद रखिएगा. Jones reagent. Write some examples. OH. CrO3 and H2SO4. This is what Jones reagent. But please remember, बहुत सारे लोग गलती क्या करते हैं, वो ये बना देते हैं COOH, ठीक है? But this is not the product. What is the problem in this product? Tell me. What is the problem in this product?
Extra carbon.
Extra carbon. ठीक है? तो ध्यान रखिएगा इन सब चीजों का. See, here we have only 3 carbon atoms. So say 1, 2, 3, and this is the third one, which is going to get converted to COH. Okay, only primary. ठीक है? Please याद रखिएगा primary, only primary. In general, we can write R CH2OH with oxidizing agent gets converted to carboxylic acid. Similarly, aldehydes can also be converted to carboxylic acid using mild or strong oxidizing agent. Done, everyone? Right, next. From alkyl benzenes. Please write. Aromatic carboxylic acid.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam, Umar.
Sir, can you show me what have you done until now?
You want to leave pages?
Yes, sir.
How many pages should we leave, Khalid?
Can you also tell me the topics?
Topics, method of preparation of carboxylic acid.
Only that?
Only that, and then no. We have also done a few topics more. Cannizzaro reaction and electrophilic aromatic substitution of aldehyde and ketones.
All of them are done, like sulfonation and all.
Sorry. Yeah.
All
Sulfuric
the
titration
electrophilic
and,
substitution.
yeah, that is done.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Aromatic carboxylic acid can be prepared. Please be on time, okay? And I don't know why you are late today. Aromatic carboxylic acid prepared is made by vigorous oxidation of alkyl benzene with, now we can use two different reagents, either chromic acid or potassium permanganate. Now, potassium permanganate can be either acidic or alkaline, not neutral. Okay, so please write a vigorous oxidation of alkyl benzene with chromic acid or KMNO4. Now, KMNO4 can be in the presence of H plus or in the presence of OH negative, alkaline or acidic. Now, what happens? The complete alkyl chain, the complete alkyl chain is oxidized to the carboxyl group and benzoic acid is formed. Okay, so for example, if you have something like this, no matter how many carbon chains you have, if you react this with KMnO4 in the presence of heat and you have KOH, then first of all, since we are having KOH, you are going to get COOK. Okay, potassium salt of benzoic acid. Now you need to add H plus in order to get benzoic acid. Okay, no matter what the chain length is, even if you have one carbon, then also you are going to get the benzoic acid. The first step, we have KMnO4, KOH in the presence of heat. In the second step, if I'm going to add H plus, you will get COOH. Okay, right next, from nitriles and amides. Is right. Nitriles can be hydrolyzed to amides and then to carboxylic acid. And then to carboxylic acid in the presence of acid or alkali. It next to stop. Yeah, tell me.
So for the previous preparation, only only aromatic structures are used.
Yeah, only
for
aromatic.
oxide.
Because we are
Okay.
preparing it from alkyl benzenes now.
Okay.
Okay, and the substrate is only alkyl benzene. Is right. To stop the reaction, at amide stage, mild reaction conditions are used. Okay. So for example, if you have RCN, you add water in the presence of H plus or OH negative. Now, if you're not heating it, you are going to get, first of all, R, C double bond O, NH2. This is amide. From nitrile to amide, if you're not heating it. But if you have the same conditions, H plus or OH negative in the presence of water, water is already there, just heat it up, you are going to get R, COOH. Okay. But if you have a reaction like this, now in this case, what we are going to do, we have H3O plus and heat, we are going to make COOH directly. Similarly, if you have CN and if you have H3O plus and heat, if heat is given, then it will not stop at the amide stage, it will go till the carboxylic acid state. You are going to get COOH. Now from this, you can also make, if you have benzamide, CONH2, same conditions. You will get benzoic acid. Done, everyone? Yes or no, please tell me. Is everyone done?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Done.
See, there is a very important conversion that you should remember in the case of nitrites. Okay. If you have been given, see, my question is, you have ethanol to propanoic acid. Now, whenever there is a reaction, you see, whenever there is a reaction in which you are adding, eth means 2 carbons, prop means 3 carbons. That means there is an addition of 1 carbon. Please remember the reaction of alkyl halides with alkyl halide with KCN. Now, for this, first of all, I will have ethanol, and I have to convert it to 1, 2, 3, and this is COOH. So first of all, I will convert this to alkyl halide, SOCl2. Now SOCl2 is going to give me what? Chlorine here. Then I will convert this to, by using KCN. Now as soon as I add KCN, what I have added here, I've added 1 more carbon. So you'll have 1, 2, third carbon atom and then CN. Now this is the reaction that we have just learned. H3O plus in the presence of heat. Please write this conversion. So in this, what we are going to use, well, first of all, we are going to use SOCl2. Second, we are going to use KCN. Third, we are going to use H3O plus in the presence of heat. So you done, everyone? Yes or no, please tell me.
1 minute, sir.
Weights are 0.
Okay, okay. Can I move on? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir. Done.
Can you write next? Fourth one. From Grignard reagent. Please write. Grignard reagent. Reacts with carbon dioxide in the form of dry ice. ठीक है, पानी नहीं लगना चाहिए Grignard reagent में, बस remember that, okay? Grignard reagent reacts with carbon dioxide to form salts of carboxylic acid and on further acidification gives carboxylic acid. Okay, so see, the general reaction is R mgx plus CO2 in the presence of, again, what? Dry ether. What we are going to get? We are going to get R C double bond O OMGX. Now H3O plus is going to give you R COOH. So see, the number of carbon atoms here was how many? We had R carbon atoms. Here we have R plus 1 carbon atoms. Again, you can see this reaction can also be used for what? For example, if you have, again, the previous example only, okay? Ethanol to propanoic acid. यहाँ पे एक reaction ऐसे देख लीजिए आप लोग. You have MgX. Here we have 2 carbon atoms. CO2, dry ether, the 2 carbon, C double bond O, OMGX, in the presence of H3O plus, COH. Now, for the case of ethanol, first I will convert this to alkyne halide, Cl. Then I will add Mg. So I will get MgCl. Then after that, what I just need to do, you have got a Grignard reagent. You just need to react this with first CO2, second H3O plus. Okay, what you are going to get? 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms and COH. ठीक है, first reaction यहाँ पे SOCl2 के साथ, that is going to give you alkyne halide. Second reaction is with Mg to give you Grignard reagent. Third reaction is with CO2 to give you the salt of carboxylic acid. Fourth reaction is with H3O plus to convert that to carboxylic acid. Okay, so write this down. Now, both of the reaction with nitrites and with Grignard reagent are important for the conversions. Is someone saying something?
Sir, could you scroll down?
Scroll down. Okay. Yep, this reaction also increases the number of carbon atoms by 1 because we are adding the CO2. Now, CO2 is the extra carbon. You're getting the extra carbon from carbon dioxide. Then everyone, yes or no, please tell me.
1 minute, sir. Yes, sir, done.
Right, fifth one. From acyl halides. Please write. Acid chlorides give carboxylic acid. When hydrolysis. Wait a second. On hydrolysis, on hydrolysis. So if you have R, COCl, just add water to R COCl and you're going to get R COOH. Okay. Now, in the presence of base, the presence of alkali, the hydrolysis is faster. But it will give you carboxylate ion, and it gives carboxylate ion, which on further acidification gives carboxylic acid. Yeah, we can do that. Yes, yes, Umar, we can do that. The same magnesium reaction, wherever your bromine is, you add first of all Mg, then you react that with CO2, and after CO2 you will add H plus That's it. Write the reaction first, Umar. आपका कंप्लीट नहीं रहता है और आप सवाल पूछ रहे हैं. Okay. Look at this reaction. So here, if you have COCl, H2 in the presence of OH negative, we are going to get COO negative. Then on further acidification in the presence of H3O plus, we will get COOH. That's the only difference. And this reaction is just quicker. Sixth लिखिए. From anhydrides, hydrolysis of anhydrides. Gives corresponding carboxylic acid. So what is an anhydride? Anhydride has a general structure in which you have R, which has a C double bond O. The C double bond O is connected to oxygen. Further, it is connected to C double bond O and some other R dash or same R dash. Once you add H2O, you will get R COOH and R dash COH plus R dash COH. For example, in this case, both the R is same, CS3 and CS3. Now again, adding water, it is going to give me CS3COOH. That means 2 moles of CS3COOH. But for example, if I have a different R on both the sides, oxygen, oxygen, and here I have a benzene ring. So here we have CS3 and here we have the phenyl group. Now, same thing happened, but you just need to keep in mind what are the carboxylic acid that is going to form. So from here, you are going to make CS3COH. And from this side, you are going to make the benzene ring and then the COOH. Okay, Khalid. Can you write this down? Done everyone? Yes or no? Please tell me. I hope everyone is done. Right, next. Seventh one from Easters. Please write acetic hydrolysis. Acetic hydrolysis of esters gives carboxylic acid. Okay, but or rather you can write another line, basic hydrolysis. Hydrolysis is addition of water in the presence of acid or base. Acidic में क्या होगा? Carboxylic acid directly. Basic hydrolysis of esters gives carboxylate ions, which on further acidification gives carboxylic acid. So आपके पास ये fragment से क्या बनेगा? Alcohol, and this fragment makes a carboxylic acid. We have done this when we were doing preparation of alcohols also. So please write in the presence of H3O plus double bond O, OH plus CH3OH. Similarly, if you have something aromatic, you will get benzoic acid. Okay, so please remember this portion till the carbonyl carbon is going to get converted to carboxylic acid. The rest of it is going to get converted to alcohol. Done everyone? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir. Done.
Everybody kiss me. Done?
Yes, sir.
Where should I?
So those who are done, please write this. A few conversions.
So could you scroll up one second?
What Astha?
So could you scroll up for 1 second? Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Send the answer on WhatsApp once you're done. पहला वाला आपका गलत है खलील, फर्स्ट वन इज रॉन्ग। सी, आपको क्या बनाना है, यू हैव टू मेक इथेनोइक एसिड फ्रॉम इथाइल साइनाइड। इथाइल साइनाइड से क्या बनाना है, इथेनोइक एसिड। ठीक है, तो आपने क्या बना दिया है, आपने बना दिया प्रोपेनोइक एसिड। एंड आई थिंक वेट अ सेकंड, बाकियों में आपके आंसर्स, बाकी तो ठीक है आपका, बाकी ठीक है। नबील अहमद, वो इथाइल साइनाइड नहीं है, आपने जो बनाया दैट इज मिथाइल साइनाइड। ओके, what you have made, it is not ethyl cyanide, that is methyl cyanide. Same thing is wrong with SAF also. Hishma, first is methyl cyanide, ठीक है, that is a common name, methyl cyanide. आपको बनाना ethyl cyanide. The other ones are fine, it seems. Yeah, other ones are fine.
Now is it okay?
लेकिन वो आप तो प्रोपेनोइक एसिड बन गया है ना, 3 कार्बन बन गए, राइट नबील?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, so I think second and third one are not very tough, you can do that, but आपके पास जो first reaction है that is मीनाक्षी, हाँ पहला सही है, दूसरा भी आपका ठीक है, heat and H plus and everything, yeah correct. Okay, first one is a bit tricky. We have ethyl cyanide. Ethyl क्या है आपका, CH3 CH2 and then you have cyanide. अगर आपके पास आईपैक नॉमेनक्लेचर होता है ना, तो इसको क्या लिखते हैं, प्रोपेन नाइट्राइल लिखते हैं। ओके, नहीं तो CH3CO, नहीं तो एक कार्बन कहाँ गया फिर, वेयर इज द अदर कार्बन नबील? नहीं, हम लोगों ने रिएक्शन नहीं देखा, देयर इज वन रिएक्शन फ्रॉम अमाइड्स, दैट इज व्हाई वी आर नॉट एबल टू डू दिस। फर्स्ट स्टेप सही है, you have to add H3O plus, it will get converted to CH3 CH2 C double bond O NH2. Now there is a reaction in which you remove one carbon atom, ठीक है, एक कार्बन आटम लेस करने के लिए भी एक रिएक्शन है, and in that we add Br2 in the presence of NaOH. Br2 in the presence of NaOH. ठीक है, इस रिएक्शन को देख लीजिए, इसमें क्या होता है, इफ यू हैव अमाइड, अमाइड से एक कार्बन कम हो जाएगा, अमाइड से क्या होगा, एक कार्बन कम हो जाएगा। What are the reagents? The reagent is एक हैलाइड होगा आपके पास, ओके, and then you are going to have 1 mole of NaOH. And then after that, you are going to get a simple amine, which is CH3, CH2, NH2. Now from this, you can easily prepare the ethanoic acid. If you remember a reaction from alcohol, ONO add करने से क्या होता है? CH3, CH2OH. Further, you can add any oxidizing agent, such as क्या? CrO3, in the presence of H2SO4, Jones reagent. क्या मिल जाएगा आपको? CH3COOH. Okay, so यही वाला आपके पास थोड़ा टफ था. Now butane 1 to butanoic acid 1 2 3 4 OH K2Cr2O7 COH methyl benzene to benzoic acid. क्या करते हैं इसको? We are going to oxidize it in the presence of KMnO4 and KOH. Heat and second step में H plus. Please write this down. किसी ने पूछा कुछ सवाल. Can we use CaO plus NaOH? अच्छा, decarboxylation reaction. Decarboxylation reaction के बाद आपके पास end product में तो alkane मिल जाएगा, right? Yes. है ना? उसके आगे क्या कीजिएगा फिर? खलील?
Yes, sir.
You will get an alkane, right? अगर मान लीजिए आपने इसको पूरा इस तरह से कर दिया, H3O plus and heat. So this will be CH3, CH2, COOH. आपने इसमें बेस डाल दिया, NaOH. NaOH बेस डालने की वजह से आपको क्या मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे? CH3, CH2, COONA. अब इसके बाद आप डाल रहे हैं सोडा लाइम, CaO in the presence of NaOH. तो ये तो CH3 CH2 मिल जाएगा, CH3 CH3 मिल जाएगा, राइट? अब इसके आगे क्या कीजिएगा? हमको तो इथेनॉइक एसिड चाहिए था ना. How will you go from here to here? You understand the problem with decarboxylation?
Yes, sir.
है ना? We are stuck now.